Welcome, friend, to Holistic Strategy, the channel dedicated to personal and spiritual growth. Today we invite you to immerse yourself in an adventure that transcends time, into the heart of a mystery that has defied the ages. We will delve together into an ancient ritual, hidden in its simplicity, but capable of revealing the keys to open doors towards unexplored dimensions of prosperity and serenity. Grab a pen and paper, as we will trace together the number 888, an ancient code that promises to transform your inner world. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos on personal and spiritual growth, and to share with anyone you think could benefit from it. In this way you will help us to always create new content that can inspire you on your journey. For millennia, the number 888 has been a symbol of infinite harmony and flow of positive energy, awakening in the hearts of humanity the awareness of a universe in constant movement and transformation. Its shape, similar to the vertically oriented symbol of infinity, suggests the idea of an eternal cycle, without beginning or end, thus symbolizing the infinite recurrence of existences. In many traditions, 8 is considered an extremely lucky number, a symbol of prosperity and success. The tripling of this number amplifies these attributes, promising a greater dose of blessings, abundance, and fulfillment. This symbolism resonates deeply in Chinese culture and other Asian traditions, where the 8 is considered extremely lucky due to its similar pronunciation to the words wealth and prosper. This number finds a place not only in numerology and spirituality, but also in astrology, where it is associated with Saturn, the planet of discipline and challenges. It represents a call to search for balance and harmony between the material and spiritual forces that shape our existence. But why can writing this number on a piece of paper and placing it under the pillow have such a significant impact on our existence? The act of writing this number and placing it under your pillow is a practice rooted in a profound understanding of the power of intention and symbolism in the processes of manifestation and personal transformation. This gesture symbolizes a commitment to inviting abundance, balance, and spiritual progress into one's life by focusing intentions and crystallizing them through sacred ritual. Thank you for accompanying us on this magical exploration of the number 888. If this video has inspired or intrigued you, don't forget to leave your precious like and activate notifications on the Holistic Strategy channel to stay updated on upcoming content dedicated to personal and spiritual growth. The universe is always ready to listen to your intentions. See you in the next video. See you soon.